Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making an Arabic alphabet matchup game. As we craft, we're going to be learning about the different letters in the Arabic alphabet. Are you excited? You're going to need a ruler, scissors and a pencil, a large piece of card, and colours. Shall we get started?
I'm going to draw 2 long lines with my ruler and then cut them out. Today we're going to be talking about something really exciting and super important, the Arabic alphabet. Did you know that the Quran, the special book sent by Allah, is written in Arabic? That's why learning the Arabic alphabet is such an amazing and important skill. Learning the Arabic alphabet is the first step to understanding the words of the Quran. And guess what? It's not just learning letters. It's a journey to connect with Allah's message. Let's dive in. Let me tell you what makes the Arabic alphabet so special. It has 28 beautiful letters, and each one has a unique sound. Some letters don't even exist in other languages. But here's something really cool. Arabic is written from right to left. Because there are 28 letters that I'm going to draw, I need to make 28 boxes. The Quran is the word of Allah, and every single letter in it has meaning and beauty. When you learn the Arabic alphabet, you're learning the building blocks of the Quran. Did you know that every letter in the Quran has a reward when you read it, even if you're just practicing? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that when you read one letter from the Quran, you get 10 rewards just from one letter. Isn't that amazing? And you're making Allah so happy by taking steps to understand His book. Isn't that the best reward ever? You'll feel so proud when you start recognizing letters and words in the Quran. It's like solving a mystery and unlocking new meanings every day. And here's a promise. The effort you put into learning the Arabic alphabet will never go to waste. Allah sees every time you practice, every time you try, and every time you ask for help. He rewards you for your hard work, even if you're just starting out. Now I'm cutting out a rectangle that will fit our 2 columns that we've just made. Learning the Arabic alphabet is more than just memorizing letters. It's a way to connect your heart with the Quran. Imagine being able to open the Quran and read the words of Allah by yourself. Doesn't that sound amazing? When you learn the alphabet, you're taking the first steps to understand the message of the Quran. You'll discover stories about prophets, lessons about life, and beautiful reminders to be kind, honest, and thankful. Now, as you can see, I'm bending the 2 corners of the paper, and then I'm going to make 4 cuts. 1 and 2 right next to it. Go all the way to the other side and make another 2 cuts. Then when you unravel it, you can fit your column through it. See if your column fits, and if it doesn't, you can bend it and cut the same cut slightly larger. Does it fit? Perfect! You're doing such a great job crafting. Let's think about something. When you're reading a book in your own language, it's easy to understand the words, right? But what if you didn't know the letters of the alphabet? The words would look like a puzzle you couldn't solve. Learning the alphabet helps you pronounce the words of the Quran correctly. Did you know that the way you say each letter matters? Saying a letter the right way makes the words of the Quran sound beautiful and keeps their correct meaning. That's why practicing the Arabic alphabet is so important. It's the key to understand the Quran the way Allah intended. Now that we can see our columns fit, it's time to write the alphabet. Are you ready to learn? The first letter is Elif. Elif. You can look at the screen to see how it's written. Second letter is Be. Can you say Be? The third is Te. Te. Repeat after me. Te. The fourth is Fe. Fe. I can't hear you. That's better. Fe. Next is Jim. Jim. After Jim comes Ha. Ha. After Ha comes Kha. Kha. Let me hear it. Kha. Good job. After Kha comes Dal. 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 Next is Vel. 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 Next is Ra. R. Ra. Can you say Ra? Good job. Next is Za. 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 Next is Seen. 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 Then comes Sheen. 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 Amazing job pronouncing with me. After Sheen comes Sod. 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 After Sod is Dod. D. Dod. Dod. Then comes Ta. 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 After Ta is The. 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 After The is Ain. Repeat with me. Ain. After Ain is Ghain. 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 Then comes Fe. 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 After Fe is Qaf. 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 After Qaf is Kaf. 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 After Kaf comes Lam. 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 After lam comes meme. Meme. Can you say meme? Then comes noon. 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 After noon is he. 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 Then comes wow. Wow. Can you say wow? And lastly is yeah. 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 Excellent job pronouncing with me. That was just a warm-up. Are you ready to do it again? On the other side, we're going to write in English how it sounds. I'm going to write it randomly so you can match the Arabic letter to the English sound. The first is Elif. Can I hear you say it with me? Elif. Great job. Next is Bear. 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 Then comes Teh. 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 Next is Fe. 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 Look at the screen to see the spelling. Then comes Jim. Say it with me. Jim. Jim. Then comes Ha. 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 Then comes Kha. Can you say Kha? Kha. After Kha comes Del. 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 Then comes Vel. 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 Then comes Ra. Can you say Ra? Next comes Za. 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 Next is Seen. 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 After Seen comes Sheen. 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 After Sheen comes Sad. Can you say Sad? Great job. Sad. After that is Dad. Dad. Say Dad. Then comes Tah. 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 Next is The. 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 After, that's Ain. Ain. Next is Ghain. Ghain. Then comes Fe. 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 After Fe is Qaf. 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 After Qaf comes Kaf. 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 Next comes Lam. lem, lem. Then comes meme, meme, meme. After meme is noon, noon, noon. Then comes ha, ha, ha. Then it's whoa, whoa, whoa. And lastly, it's yeah, yeah, yeah. Brilliant job! Now you've learnt your alphabet. I'm putting each column in their designated spot, and I'm going to put an arrow so we can match up each alphabet letter with the sound. If you want to hear them again, you can rewind and listen and repeat. The more you listen, the quicker you'll learn. And the more you repeat, the better your pronunciation will be. Learning the Arabic alphabet is an exciting journey. It's the first step to reading and understanding the Quran, the most beautiful book in the world. Remember, every time you practice, you're earning rewards from Allah and bringing yourself closer to Him. So don't be afraid to try and don't give up, even if it feels hard. With each letter, you learn you're unlocking a little more of the Quran's wisdom and beauty. So keep practicing. I've written match up, so you can now match the letter to the sound. We've matched Sad with Sad and Seen with Seen. Next is Qaf. There's Qaf. Let's do Lem. There's Lem. Every day you can practice matching the letter to the sound. Let's look for Noon. Noon. There she is. So keep practicing and you'll get better and better.
Wow, look at your beautiful game. I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can match the letter with the sound. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. Oh Allah, make learning Arabic easy for me so I can understand and love your words in the Quran. Ameen. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.